Here's hoping you'll never have to use it. But if you do get a flat tire, knowing how to use your tire service kit repair system will get you back on the road quickly and safely. If equipped, the tire service kit is located under the load floor behind the rear seat. Remember that roadside assistance may be available. Consult the owner's information for details. If you get a flat, pull over to a safe location and turn on your hazard lights. Position the tire that needs inflating so that the valve stem is located near the ground. Put the transmission in park, turn off the ignition, and set the parking brake. Place the tire service kit on the ground next to the flat tire. Now, on the kit, push in and turn the mode select knob to the sealant mode position and uncoil the sealant hose. Remove the cap from the fitting at the end of the hose. Remove the valve stem cap and screw the sealant hose fitting onto the valve stem. Make sure the power button on the kit is in the off position. Uncoil the power plug on the kit and connect it to the vehicle's power outlet. Go ahead now and start the engine. Push the power button on the tire service kit, and the sealant should start flowing from the bottle through the hose and into the tire. Run the pump until the sealant stops flowing into the flat tire. The pressure may read up to 70 psi or 4.8 bar. However, it will quickly drop once the sealant bottle is empty. The pump will start to add air into the tire after the bottle is empty. Continue to fill the tire to the correct pressure indicated on the tire placard. If the tire does not inflate to 26 psi or 1.8 bar within 15 minutes, the tire is too severely damaged and will need to be replaced. Do not drive the vehicle. Once the tire has reached the correct pressure, turn the pump off. Remove the speed limit sticker reminder and place the sticker on the steering wheel. Disconnect the sealant hose from the valve stem and install the valve stem cap. Unplug the kit from the power outlet and place the kit in its proper storage location. This next step is important. Drive the vehicle for 5 miles, 8 kilometers, or 10 minutes to ensure the sealant is distributed within the tire. After 5 miles, 8 kilometers, or 10 minutes, pull over again to a safe place and check the tire pressure using the tire service kit. Push in and turn the mode select knob on the kit to the air mode position. Plug the tire service kit into the power outlet and connect the air hose to the valve stem. Check the tire pressure on the gauge. If the pressure is less than 19 psi or 1.3 bar, do not drive the vehicle until the tire has been replaced. If the tire has more than 19 psi or 1.3 bar, turn the power button on and add the air necessary to return the tire pressure to the correct pressure indicated on the tire placard. If the tire becomes overinflated, push the deflation button to reduce the tire pressure to the recommended level. Disconnect the tire service kit from the valve stem and install the valve stem cap. Unplug the kit from the power outlet and place the kit in its proper storage location. Be sure to have the tire inspected and repaired as soon as possible, and inform the service advisor that the tire was sealed with the tire service kit. A quick note here. You can also use the tire service kit pump to inflate balls, air mattresses, and other inflatables. You'll find adapters in a compartment on the bottom of the unit. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.